What's up, my punginos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over the ArmorGrid Azure Blue combo kit here from the folks at Benks. This is an awesome way for business professionals to be able to have their phone on lanyard, in a business trip, in your travels, or for the creative, or even to use in your daily carry. Made out of 1000D DuPont Kevlar, this Azure Blue looks beautiful on the hand, protecting your phone all the way around the entirety of it, including a kickstand accessory for streaming, scrolling, watching, gaming, you name it. Aramid fiber is one of my favorite products here to review, and this Azure Blue is one among them that I think is awesome, especially if you opted into the blue color here for the 17 Pro Max. With that said, the folks at Benks did provide this to me complimentary and then sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it here for the 17 Pro Max, and see if this is something that you're interested in. Got a very sleek unboxing, really nice and carefully curated. You can see here's your ring holder as well as the phone. Inside is a matching key ring, MagSafe ring here that you can use, which I think is really sleek with this little pop socket, which I think is fun. And then obviously the ArmorGrid 1000D DuPont Kevlar case. This includes the braided cable that you can use as a lanyard with a little lanyard slip here that will demonstrate. Unboxing it here, look how sleek that looks. Oh my heavens, this is so high quality. Adorned with anodized aluminum to guard your camera plateau. You can see here that they definitely have super high quality product, really careful care and attention to protecting the most important parts of your phone while giving a very sleek look. On the back side here, you can see it's got the MagSafe built in with the anchor. There is your anodized aluminum. You've got cutouts for your I/O as well as a cutout there for your camera control and I/O on the bottom. You can see you've got little rounded edges for extra protection on those high impact areas. And then the DuPont Kevlar, which feels and looks so sleek. This is so luxurious. I love it. Placing it on here for the first time, we're gonna go ahead and place your lanyard clip there first by pressing it that way and then placing the phone from the bottom to the top. It's gonna grip all the way around the entirety of your phone, making it such a sleek, low footprint there, yet sleek design. Look at that. Oh, that looks fabulous in the hand. You got the blue there juxtaposed against the Aramid fiber two-tone. You got these little diamond crests there that look so sleek in the hand. Really nice to be able to have. And then having this extra accessory here to be able to put on is really nice. If you wanted to add a wallet, they have their magnetic wallet stand here, which is nice. You throw that on there. It's got a couple of cards and it even has a little ring kickstand that fits there to allow you to hold it up, stream, scroll, do TikTok, you name it. That's an awesome option here. Otherwise, the provided ring holder here I think is even sleeker. This is made out of anodized aluminum. It looks really cool. It's like a little pop socket. So if you needed to use this for taking calls, walking about, using this in your daily carry, this is an awesome option. Plus, it's got a built-in anodized aluminum kickstand that's gonna hold your phone up, stream, you can scroll. It pivots 360 degrees to give you that best angle and protection you need. The wrist strap lanyard here, if you have your own dedicated lanyard around your neck, otherwise you can use this wrist strap, which I think is really sleek. It's got this little latch to grip around the wrist strap. This is adorned with anodized aluminum. It's weighted, it's braided. It looks super sleek. If you need, you can tighten it. If you wanted extra stability, and this just looks so sleek in the hand, I really like that. Man, they did a great job with this. With that said, Benks did a fantastic job making this really sleek wrist strap, lanyard, and kickstand combo made out of Aramid fiber, 1000D Kevlar there. It's so sleek that matches my blue phone. You can get in a couple of different colors here for whatever phone that you opted into. With that said, the folks at Benks did provide this to me complimentary and sponsored this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out, guys, as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. This is such a cool combo that I would definitely recommend that you guys check out. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.